This course is designed to teach you advanced lighting techniques and philosophies for cinematography and film. Our goal is to move beyond the basics of lighting and look at practical examples of lighting methods that you can apply to real-world scenarios to solve more difficult lighting challenges. Lighting for film is a balancing act between the visual aesthetic that you want to achieve and the practical limitations of placing light in space. We will assume that you are familiar and proficient with the fundamentals of light and photography, understanding how exposure, aperture, and camera sensitivity work, how to measure light, and the definitions of terms such as key and fill, and that you are looking to build on your base of knowledge for more advanced lighting techniques. We will not cover brands and types of equipment, as these lessons will be valuable regardless of what grade of equipment you have access to. When lighting a film, you will almost never have exactly the tools you wish you had, and these lessons will teach you how to achieve your visual goals regardless of your practical limitations.